Taiwanese style fried chicken cutlets has got to be one of my favourite ways to serve fried chicken. The chicken's marinated in classic Taiwanese flavours like soy sauce, Shaoxing and Chinese 5-spice, before being dredged in a potato starch batter to make it extra crispy when you fry it. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple dish for yourself at home. We'll start preparing the marinade by finely slicing some garlic and grating some fresh ginger. Next up, we'll slice a couple chicken breasts in half lengthways and lay them out over some cling film on a large chopping board. Place another layer of cling film over the top of the chicken and start pounding it with a mallet, or anything you can find in a kitchen that's heavy. Pounding the chicken breast is not only going to thin it out, but it's also going to help tenderize the meat, which is essential for a less fatty cut of meat like chicken breast. Place the chicken in a large bowl and add some Shaoxing wine, some light soy sauce, garlic, ginger, 5-spice powder, sugar and white pepper. Use your hands to mix the marinade into the chicken, making sure it's all mixed through thoroughly. For the flour coating, we're going to mix some normal flour with some potato starch and baking soda. Potato starch is one of the key ingredients for any Taiwanese style fried food, and it's going to make it really crispy. Next up, we'll dip the marinated chicken pieces in some egg wash, and then coat in the flour mixture. Make sure you spend a bit of time to rub the flour into all the surface area of the chicken here. This kind of uneven texture will become extra crispy when we deep fry it. Once all the chicken's been coated, you want to heat up a heavy bottom pan for deep frying. Next up, we'll fry up some basil leaves in the oil, which is going to add a nice flavour to the oil and look great as a garnish for the chicken. Once you've fished out all the basil leaves, let the oil come back up to temperature and then we'll start frying the chicken. We're going to double fry these to get them extra crispy, so once they've been in the oil for about 4 minutes, we want to take them out and lay them on a baking rack. While these are resting, we can fry another batch. Once all the chicken's been fried once, we can start the second round of frying. For the second fry, we'll only need to have the chicken in the oil for around 2 to 3 minutes. Once all the chicken's been fried, we can start chopping the cutlets into bite-sized pieces. Like anything deep fried, you want to make sure it's been seasoned with salt after it's come out of the oil. This chicken dish goes really well with some freshly steamed white rice and any kind of Asian greens. To serve this all up, add the chicken to a large sharing plate and garnish with the basil leaves we fried earlier. If you want to see more videos like these, then please help us out by subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.